Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Sean Michael, and today we're talking about a powerful tool for creating a life you love, vision boards. As we're wrapping up the year, it's the perfect time to dream bigger, aim higher, and set clear intentions for what you want to achieve in 2025. A vision board isn't just a pretty collage, it's a proven tool for turning goals into reality. Today, I want to share the science behind vision boards, a step-by-step guide for creating one, and how you can use it to stay focused and take action all year long. So let's get to it.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love.
You've probably heard the phrase, what you focus on expands. Vision boards work because they tap into your brain's reticular activating system, the internal filter that helps you notice opportunities and ideas that align with your goals. When you see your dreams every day, your brain starts aligning your actions to make them happen. Top performers like athletes and CEOs use visualization to stay focused, inspired, and on track. If it works for them, can't it work for you too? So your first step is to get clear on your goals. Now, before you start cutting out pictures, take 10 minutes and reflect. What do you really want to achieve in 2025? Think about key areas like career, relationships, health, finances, and personal growth. Write down 5 to 10 specific goals. On to step 2, gather the visuals that inspire you. Find the images, words, or symbols that represent your goals. Could be magazines, Pinterest, or a digital board on Canva. For example, if you want financial freedom, you might add a picture of your dream home. If you want better health, maybe an image of someone hiking or meditating. For step 3, you gotta make it meaningful. Don't just pick random visuals. Choose things that will trigger real emotion and ask yourself, when I see this, do I feel inspired to take action? That's a key to creating a vision board that actually works. The 4th step, you gotta place it where you see it every day. Your vision board must be visible to you every day. You could put it on your desk, in your office, or put it as your phone wallpaper. Because seeing your dreams daily keeps them at the top of your mind and fuels your motivation. Finally, step 5, take action. The truth is, a vision board is only as powerful as the actions you take. So every time you look at it, ask yourself, what is a small step I can take today to move closer to this vision? That, my friends, is how dreams become reality. Now, creating a vision board isn't about wishful thinking. It's about intentional focus. When you combine a clear vision with consistent action, you create unstoppable momentum. Now, here's my challenge for you. Schedule 30 minutes this week to create your 2025 vision board. Choose goals that will excite you. Pick visuals that'll inspire you, and most importantly, take action every day to bring your vision to life. If you create your vision board, I'd love to see it. Go ahead and share it on social media and tag me, or send me a message about what you're most excited to achieve in 2025. Let's hold each other accountable as we turn our dreams into reality. And remember, your vision board is your daily reminder that you have the power to create the life you want. It's not just about seeing your dreams. It's about believing in them and showing up to make them happen. Thanks again for tuning into Daily Power Boost. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who's ready to dream big in 2025. Keep taking those small intentional steps forward, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake